So we had a great time here at the American Helicopter Museum at our event here, and a lot of prospective students and their families came. They loved it. They enjoyed the facility. They enjoyed seeing the helicopters on display here.
Right behind us, you can see one of our early EMD aircraft. There's so much heritage here in terms of rotorcraft, great things for the kids.
And we couldn't be happier with having our event here.
Everything from the staff, state-of-the-art facility, the parking, everything was wonderful. It was way more than we could have ever asked for, and we'll definitely be back in the near future.
Great STEM research topics that everybody can come out and inspire the kids. It's a great place to be.